The kit included with your surface mount-in feed wall box contains lay down the raceway base at the desired location on the wall close to the receptacles you wish to draw power from. Determine the appropriate knockouts to remove for your application. All low-voltage wires must run through the center channel, and all high-voltage powers must run through the outside channels. Remove the appropriate knockouts in both the wall box chassis and cover. This can be done by simply breaking off the tabs and using pliers to remove the excess metal. Secure the wall box chassis to the raceway base by sliding the tabs into the base channel and tightening the Phillips head screws. Square the raceway in relation to the wall you wish to mount it to. Mark both the upper ridge and the outermost edge of the plastic edging on either side of the base. Mark the sides of the plastic further down the length of the raceway, so you can later return it to this position. Slide the raceway away from the wall and cut the radius of any baseboard that may be present. Make sure to cut a diagonal from the upper ridge to the outer ridge mark of the plastic. This will better mimic the shape and therefore reduce the amount of empty space that may be left over. Pre-drill holes in the raceway base if necessary. Return the raceway to the desired location on the wall and secure it to the flooring. Secure the wall feed box chassis to the wall by screwing through the holes provided. Remove any pre-existing wall plates and receptacles, preserving the wiring. Determine the wall track path and remove all appropriate knockouts on the Hubble surface mount device box for your application. Attach the flush mount Hubble device box following the directions provided. Cut and dry fit the Hubble wall track. Remove the backing from the adhesive strip found on the back of the wall track and attach it to the wall. Additional wall track can be purchased through a local Hubble distributor. Feed all wiring through the wall track into the newly mounted device box and snap the track closed. Run the wiring down the length of the raceway and secure it using wiring clips included with the Smart-Way kit. Repeat steps 13 and 14 for any low-voltage wiring necessary for your installation. Attach the wall track elbow cover at any appropriate junctions. After the new wall-mounted device box has been wired, attach the blank wall plate to close the system. Wire the FSR device box located at the end of the length of the raceway. Place the raceway cover onto the base and snap it into place using either a rubber mallet or the back of a rubber-handled hammer. Slide the wall-in feed box cover onto the chassis and attach by tightening the screws on either side. Inspect your installation and turn the power on and test your new outlets before you begin use. You are now ready to use your new FSR Smart-Way system.